Asante sana mwanchwa omotegereri radio ya Sayare nabali baturigerere tigotera ase mtandao ase njira ya YouTube channel nigo ngubarigania ase njira ya bene chise chigacha abono mugaba ndochenga chisa nigo chia butukire dakika iringe chimirongo itatu na isano na ibire iguru yensa eyemo yabono mugaba enyurwenga lituko ya rero ni lituko ya juma atatu ekero tubwate umuroberio ase embeo okurukuba achisemi nobonda amono bosemi tukachisa isano nemo chigotuko bwa rero nigo mwakabeire najarede uchichi kurwa ensa eyemo kuikachise chiga ekero angereiri egeteke elio inchi kugendereria umuroberio kuroiga ase umochi omonene obosongo ase chiabisi chitu chigotoka nimbwato mugani aiga ase studio tugochukwana nere igoro ya amasoma bali mondigerete na bali mondigereretie Dennis Zadok gusoko wanja na bokondoka omo Kenya na kwariganirie ase enchira ya bene nigo bwate
Izitu Kenya wale fero wote
Constantine matoke ya boga kwa University ya Lukenya gotoka chisemo chirichi county ya Makueni a professor Eroiga tunde tangani agoika aiga ase studio
let me forward to you to send. I don't know who you to send it to now.
Magana na mage tukuchukwana chikosi chiri university ekwanana na maswali ya mage kolende bali mubwate amaswali na umugotolikira guchinga ase studio noti sana bere noti ya mwesa mnemo kianda inye 0700169444 nabo umugotolikira SMS gochabu ase studio ne na tukutumira kaka ase onoba uliga obono ose otua Christmas na beyo na kwa ni professor karibu sana ase studio tuchake enkwano yeito eyamo ase eyamo inguro ye itisema
mbia mwana mutangazaji nande diabete bya abantu baminto ya saya no monene
Yes.
nande mwanya getinga toko batebinga marogo bengia ebwata covid ona kiro muntu garenga kujirero tuatire kunya moroto tukoto utamatu
Yes.
twagenda chinyomba mapema abana banya kutumanya
Yes.
go covid nayo yabato byabugaye
Yes.
munabona iskuru njia siegetu parents will be closer na abana babo
Yes.
kesa uliogo kama mapema twakenya sayambi yamono
Yes.
tukolia lero ande mwanya getimge ntope toko semania igoro yijisemi
Yes.
na position yomusi ase jisemi mbi yamona semarogobe
Nabeko nyarekananga
asoko baba ntegera.
Yes, asante. Mbale nabeko nyarekananga lero buna twachakira gukona nare aiga ase studio. Mbale gati abali batotekereta seridi ya seyale gose baturigeretie ase TV yetu ya Kisi Hot. Nabeko nyarekananga mbale batarakumanya buya ntageteko kwa ndagike ya moiga you do short introduction Professor Ningo na ngai akora.
Biamono, inche madeta ne ancora professor ria masomo ria italiana Constantine Matoke oyo Nyamboga alinya Marambe South kucha
Asante.
bweburubwane currently gonde internet university kurunga Lukenya kutoka Makueni County lakini gero mpaka Utaita Taveta Makueni na Kitui and the nearest market or town igekoro kukambu neyende muditande iso bali mukwenda Mombasa.
FIC Chancellor ya Lukenya University nero yundenere aikase studio huna atebire nigakora university ekurukunga Lukenya ekutoka ase county eri ya Makueni. Professor, university ejiga ya Lukenya ndi ya chagete.
University ya Lukenya ya chagete 2015 before ya Renga College.
Yes.
Lakini ya kawa transformed into a university. So for 2015
yes.
And in the process we have got 2 cohorts. The third one in this year.
Yes.
Even the first cohort to a graduate, I was there, and then each Vice Chancellor, and I was about 10 graduated from the same.
Yes.
In the first graduation.
Asante sana Professor ase okwereneria amaswali ayo aiga ase studio. Bali mototegerete nabo mugoturikira SMS gochaiga ase studio na bali motorigerete aso TV yetu ya Kisi Hot na inwe nabo mugoturikira SMS nyokubwateri swali nilionsi igoro ya masomo enamba tugotumika na enoti sana bire enoti eyamo isanonemo kianda inye 0700169444. Professor timanya tinga chikosi njiri chechi chirimo kwenana tagete na kwali bagora chikwandira tumana kugendera na maswali ande kuruigase studio.
Chiko ndiamono o mutangazaji chikosi to kurwa atleti nyinge ango chibeka ko top bottom na ande nchia line to the schools. The school ya of education. Itokoro ka yejisembe ko train ya walimu. The Masters of Education, of which are first graduates. We graduated this year in November.
Yes.
And Konora Wange as a team we graduate Nabagusi. Out of about 50 visitor.
Yes.
The Master of Education in Early Childhood Education. Ego deal na bana. Na ande ko jakobengi ya CPCA ya achire.
Yes.
The postgraduate diploma in education, iyo yobwata relevant first degree yago join go train yabo mwalimu. Ntobwata Bachelor of Education Arts na Bachelor of Education Science and ntobwata Bachelor of Education ECT.
Yes.
Ntobwata Primary Teacher Education. Ntobwata ECD Diploma na ECD Certificate.
Yes.
Ejijonsi echibwata relevant qualifying grades. Monta kogenda kro masters, you must have a degree. Either first class or second upper. Oyo bwata class upper, gawana tokole oyo bwata second class lower, go charo join, but go ikakole gazimi yake biramanya go join. Oyo bwata of course first class and upper second, I will join immediately. The same with the same grade applies to Masters of Education in Early Childhood, postgraduate diploma, and now the a BSc in chemistry, a BSc in geography, or join postgraduate in Womarim. Or you will train a degree, such a degree chance P or a minimum grade KCSE, C plus.
Yes.
Or you have better fortunate Jingaki goodness at the Cardi Street, and I apply. Was a division 2 area and Koro, or say, was a form 6 area and Koro. But now I will qualify also a Bachelor of Education, Arts and Science on their relevant subjects.
Yes.
Second one, never join. A diploma, a primary teacher education is a P1, is KCSE C plain. Also, medium here came and got a diploma also to join. Then a fee is the same in all Rocadas, the second school of business, or the master in business administration. Although this young Jagadore September PhD in what we call management science, and I'm happy to inform our and Wami Tunga Gusina Bayamure, already Bagusiba apply Rangana for the same. Your PhD in that, but then the fee yabo, next week I will be in time in a fee Bajakurwa. As a bonus, as a master's Jones PG program is 60,000 for full time. And 40,000, but it also made a Zoom application. And regular model goes open distance learning. The Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Business in Business Management, Bachelor of Information Technology, Bachelor of Business Information Technology. Now they are relevant diploma like business management, supply chain management, human resource management. And we are also in the same area, or in the same School of Arts and Social Sciences, the Masters of Public Administration and County Governance, you dealing with the national government and the county governments, the Bachelor of Arts in Community Development, Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and Governance, the Bachelor of Arts in Criminology and Security Management, Bachelor of Arts in Development Studies,
Yes.
Bachelor of Science in Health Records and Information Management, again relevant diplomas and certificates of the same, including social work and community development. A diploma is a C minus, a degree is C plus and above. School of Pure and Applied Sciences, the Bachelor of Science in Dry and Agriculture, the Bachelor of Science in Analytical.
Yes.
Then Technical Studies, the General Agriculture, a diploma, Building and Construction Technology, Food and Beverage, and a certificate in Information Technology.
Yes.
The fee is the same across the board. Our degrees equals about 38,000 full time. Our diploma is 16,000. And the certificate is 14. The uniform. Although there will be additional fee, you will pay 6,000 per semester. The medical fee, the activity fee, end of term exams, the student council, to water, of course, they have to register registration, student 500. IT and the computer facilities, Wago to me is 1,000.
Yes.
For those who are in year 1, will pay 12,500. Waliwaja mwaka huyo, lakini in year second semester onwards, gago to ako 9,700. Our school based, they pay additional fee. Kera mbali kama nyaime, 6,000 and 2,500.
Okay, asante sana.
So
asante sana.
our fees is the most affordable. We have compared all the universities.
Yes.
And we came to that package here konye omonda no motaka. Gosorio ko yokan ko nyara no yori ko nyara.
Okay, asante sana Professor Constantine Matoke asogotoerezera bene chikosi chiria University ya Lukenya eko enena balimo totegerete na balimo turigereretie chise chiga chia bono murgoba. Professor oerezeire bene chikosi chiria University eyiga eko enena onye kubwate omwano okora amatemo ye klasi kiriye 12 gose form 4 kuwanja gusokorete kare obeire nka asigika bono Lukenya University yachire asingecho efi yabo nigo ere engia gekorenganiwa yani ere friendly gekorenganiwa ni university chinde aiga a Kenya nabo koreta omwano erinde asome gusayo nyene ontegere tonyo kuru muntu monene onye gutegete komenta masomo otebire nabo gukora onye masters nabo kugenda okoro onye gwakorete degree onye gwakorete diploma nabo kugenda erinde okore degree timanye tinga Professor umuntu ugakora degree totebenga education igabwase kwa chakira ngwa kwarira magana ye degree igoro ya education gwa kwarira magana e diploma timetinga umuntu ugakorire degree ase education nabe allowed ase university yeno ya Lukenya gukora postgraduate diploma say agriculture section maybe was extension.
You see, if you have done education, mune degree.
Yes.
Or computer studies, you are education.
Yes.
So hardly we can get such kind of cases. Get around education. If you have done the first degree, they would want to do masters.
Yes.
In the relevant areas. So it may not work. You want a diploma in agriculture, but in such circumstances, if there's a diploma in agriculture, if you want to work in practice your agriculture, talk about basics because already work already degree. Now you will be given the postgraduate diploma. So it's possible.
Okay, asante sana hase ogotoerezera gusaso ogotoerera abene Professor bura tugerere tukora naye aiga ase studio nimanyete ngambare batotegerete iskali gose batorigereretie abono murgoba basinyiri no abana babo nkosiki babwerete guchigokora neba kiro muntu ngana bwate passion igento kiria tete guchigokora sama tukagocha nintagete obo advice guchisi kugali nga maybe nkosikere new in the market na ende go sell faster.
Biamono omoralia and yinganje temolizo kwambuleli ya sana.
Yes.
Enda alianza egento nyale banchete njatora mu change. Agere especially ote mu kuzinga tigato ba university.
Yes.
That's what yabu mwalimu. No nguli ako tebinga njiro mwalimu. Umwana ndata bu mwalimu. Because we believe that they won't go wrong. But a course is about you as a person, and that passion you got now you're a man is sell. A girl and a girl content you master. The Bokon Oregas at any time. Post your it's about yourself or we package or your near.
Yes.
Omwana munekara teaching practice akare only BS school yarenge komia paka abana batango na maite kasi yaye abari muri sengo na maite ko kolega kasi yaye. At the end of the day you see they will you no go graduate come back and we employ you by the board.
Yes.
You nga ba ko iregas akaro ko nyora bantu una ba computer science una bantu ba bachelor of information abai package it even before they finish. Yes. They would have got jobs. even at the moment, I would tell you some of my students,
Yes.
they are outsourced. Kwenye colleagues on behalf of certain companies. Like for example, the Ministry of Industry, bono iga, nkoli ne bwat a room as yani ba ko get jibesa chira up to 40,000.
Yes.
For abana bataji beyond form 4. Digana be developeri. Lakini akaro bako develop kali bako wachiko ulenda agera bali. Iko bako ko chake microfinance usacha kamune saiba.
Yes.
That 40,000 usacha kamuna an M-Pesa. Ne micro na nige nzogoro kanga mobile banking. De ali ka bande. You are given 40,000 you know my students even those ones I have, some of them I feel those have been successful, and they are pyramids. Pyramid develop.
Yes.
In other words, become self-employed before they even finish. Agriculture, special prayer and agriculture. When all of them, since I came here, the 3 graduations done.
Yes.
Because when they come after finishing, even before they graduate, alias about attachment. Company and they will employ them as farm managers, farm demonstrators, irrigation managers within agriculture.
Yes.
Because they are very good on the side. That's why I think it will depend on who you are, what you want to do. No, business and economics. Once in the companies in Nairobi, some of them are too good. Other people who are in the private sector because currently, you know, the government employment area in the 1990s, so they would want to employ people spot all of them.
Okay, asante sana professor. Bali mugenderete gutubwatia se mrogoba ihiga yabono muigure professor buna aerezeire bene ikosi eria urakore na ndego konya sama tukaguche kusonyo le gasi bwango ekorganigo ne chikosi chinde okwerezeire magana agriculture gabo na magana business onye kwarenge otagete kwiro mwana wa chikosoma onye obeire kwa kono kukwana nge kosi kete atekete guche kokoronya na reyo muire kabisa ase university ya Lukenya elinde anyole amasomo achegwe konya ase amatuko gocha nabo ndochenga chabutuke daika 50 na isano nemo huriyensa eyemo ya bodo margoba ekero tugendete kukwana na Professor Constantine Matoke Nyamboga kuruiga ase studio iguru University ya Lukenya buna abaereze ye ase inchira ya benenga onye gutete gusomya mwana ase liguri nyandirire morete ase university eyiga nimanyete nga Professor May Initech yaika omwelio bona asitorochi September Initech yani bali baguchi kosoa umutinyi okianda na bubono babwendete gwa apply as of now inchira kinchannel ki umuntu ara apply elio koba student ase university ya Lukenya sibali batotegerete na bali baturigirete bamanyanga inchira kibara apply protocol kibabwendete ko follow elinde bakole application chabo basoe umutinyi okianda na hindi mugoche kusieka
Biamono, this was in Eligia. One thing, we have 2 types of admissions.
Yes.
Bariwako and the Guneka Sarakar Direct will be having a list of students 2,000 by next week to answer Kubarikaramarube directly.
Yes.
Because due to your COOPs to compile real lists, those are your students. Answer Kobarangeria and never take a school. So September will be having those kind of students. Do what the other type, Balibaku Irigeria. Abaku Irigeria Baku and to our website, but download the form Korwa. Or Konya numbers you have given our numbers, Bago to accuracy, provide your result slip. Go just through WhatsApp. We process them admissions, etc. I would tell you, like the last time I was on TV live with you, the other time like today.
Yes.
On about 21 admissions now. Sawa project. So the following day, before I could go, Ngaria Bible Yabunko Barangeria, I moved to one by one. I ended up Gusi and 5 o'clock because Abandana Yatabarinja Miruka. So I had to use go through Miruka and then Miramako and Nakuru, Mako and the Kirijo Nakuru. So I had to distribute all the admission letters now.
Yes.
You want to go to the door. You know, to go to leadership. Admission. And I'm surprised. The wrong time one young man impressed me because I wait a kante ngana takwana na inje ngatena asenara ali Nyamira before Kebirige town they sinjira geta kwende society I think urugose mo bamba assist jiro kono boda wara wange sana ngata bunte no ekero ngute noro mwawe wete kwende kante tinga ninja kanga kero mwawe simgana boda ogonde bi na tegete abantu bakondo KMCA ga ngomolo no MCA ora utakali bungo ko kwa DPP ko ndenga ya
Yes.
qualifications ajita kale tinda na watu ne diploma como te evidente what you do I give into via umwana wajita ka tumiri via ku WhatsApp nkamweleza and he has tata ke tia kwa tata MCA but
Yes.
Because we get people to listen to them to amanyanga exactly what I get to our cause what I get. Omanu igare ko kore cause ya agriculture igare kaya kara ko MCA o te yeba ndonga kiba ko agriculture with irrigation or without irrigation na ndinga kiba ko ndonga about co farming around about ndonga about co farming igare to te kitwana mbura yani ora okosipeka chinyanya nyomba mwao chiamera nyomba kayahera paka gwati ya barigi senyone era ndiko kwa vertical farming munore muti so meturu gugu mumanyenga kikere our university will be becoming the center for Africa for the same girl we have signed a memorandum with universities abroad so for that kind of vertical farming but my would train to understanding akiko work
Okay.
tumago te yantu baitu.
Asante sana nochenga professor ikasiningi yogokora kwayirukanga door to door ogokora mangana yokorwa nonye na marube ikiagara ase ensemeliende ya spiritual affairs togotebanga ine evangelism kwalinge gokora yokorekinga abana baito konyora bali amabaga ugosoa nitagete gukoboli swali asingente kyonga is it a must maybe whoever applies to join Kenya University will get an opportunity?
In most cases,
yes.
If it is a space, we have space, but we must look at qualifications. One, for example, a D+, D.
Yes.
These people have their life. Their life, technical studies. As a building construction at a certificate level.
Yes.
It's agriculture, agriculture at a certificate level. It's called one.
Yes.
ICT, a certificate, Nero. You are ICT street,
Yes.
you would have done ICT from the university. And that brings a big impact. The other ones, he has done that certificate, he can move up and do a diploma, add a diploma to a degree. So, in other words, what I'm saying, all qualifications are hooked into a certain level of education. Standard 8, that becomes a problem. The best the university can do for such a kind of child, building and construction technology, lakini yata kutwara upward progression.
Yes.
Atomancha atokumu train at lower level. A year a craft akanora certificate yoka. Digara manya go a year more of self-employment, but that goes to university because he must have university must have done Form 4. Yes.
Okay, asante sana. Actually, abategereri bachakire kulika maswali goche igase studio professor nitegete kuwa na nabategereri igase studio se namba yite yamase yamo enoti sana bire noti eyamo isana nemo kianda inye kulende professor natogenda tukukwana igase studio duchinga ndigo ogenderete gotoerera ase enchira ire engiya no nabategereri baito igo bari comfortable according to SMS siringenderete ku receive igaiga ase studio nara okwirukanga Pastor Shem Omayo kurichisa bochirichi yake birigo ikagotebanga my question is I did a diploma in the Bible and the theology from PPC. Will I be accepted to join a teaching course with my theological certificate? Yani okoranga na akorete certificate ya samagana yuburandia na anjeru go soma Kenya University elida kole kosi yogo somia.
Hello?
Yes, nikuigwete.
The answer is yes, and the answer is no.
Yes.
Because again, the Gwaruga is what's the name of the college?
PPC. I don't know as so, but
One
having a
of-
kick a minute, I don't know.
That's what I was saying. You know, really, by a theological examination, what we revert back to what is called in Form 4. Because you cannot talk for theology, as a two subjects. And the two teaching subjects, you must have a minimum of C+.
Yes.
Yes, unless you join, but even a diploma education, you must have a minimum of 2 C++ in your teaching subjects.
Okay.
If we be like a certificate, yeah, correct now, we have maybe CRE, now we have something like a C++, that becomes good for us. But what will be the next subject? I would prefer as his point of view, but the being from funky and then we can work a formula out.
Yes, okay.
Or the examination in body quality diploma in area.
Okay, asante sana. Kertenga PPC onye tindi bobe koranga ne college ilia Pentecostal Bible College. So buna kwa kereza ile kagiretenga oigure kegera na bata keiri aire ndiwe kabire yugo. Nara nere obwateli swali chise chike chebono maro bagotebanga one went on for application but didn't choose Lukenya. At the moment, can it be possible to join Lukenya by now that it was unchosen? Okorango yoiga niga kolete application yogoswa university kolida gachora engao. Asabo niga nebe oboraisi gose ninyare kana so Lukenya University no nya konyora taraje chora.
One thing which I appreciating anko mwagara ngambi yamono nga bwanchira open. Ekara chora to kabote C+. University.
Yes.
They were chosen simply because either maths are a problem or English. But those are the easiest things I can manage. You go apply, hope to apply, my number you always give them is on the screen.
Yes.
But on Wednesday, when offices are open, I'll get him admission to a course. After 2 agreed, and I'll call him and tell him what he can do.
Yes.
And they will still get the loan.
Okay. Asante buna professor tebire bali moto tegereta se radio ya seali na bali moto tegereti wetera ase umtandao YouTube channel kisi Hot TV onye olio obolia liswali kageretenga obeire comfortable obeire satisfied nature a professor akwanire buno yomagaga otegete go chenchi university linda soil Kenya University kwaliganigwe ase enchira ya kebene gochi tole kwana na enamba ya professor aiga ase studio na boku mulige buna tebire na ande go chikonyole loan ekero oraso ase university eyeiga ya Lukenya University nintagete go chikora buguri chisimi nkega na boku ngakere simi 0700169444 0700169444 nabo okunga keresimi gochega se studio wose undi kere SMS karondo chenga abantu nabange sana pagenderete ko tubwatie chisa echiga chia abono marogoba professor why maybe umuntu arachole gosoma Lukenya University asebali baturigerete nabali batutegerete isikuga ali obuya kibubole ase Lukenya University elinde buragere tubapasuedi to join maybe
mbiyamona seri swali eneligia sana especially uje samwana getinga.
Yes.
One thing nabatenge fees ya ito nogenda everywhere you will getting a user friendly.
Yes.
Secondly abana kabago chaga iga to chetinga ngomwalimu ngabana because we work as a community biyamo the parents na abana babo. So we expect to konata abana baino, komodi abana baino, but we are character chingi yapi. Secondly, our doors are always open every day at 8 in the morning, mpaka 10 at night. When you're in our offices, you are with the kerasi, they can continue to buy engage na walimu. Library services go to coin and up to 10. at night. So meaning umuntu wakaende library ya consult after.
Yes.
Since they are all residential. Then the ICT lab is also open to them. Mpaka saa 4 yabo tukuru saa 2. Bono ikoete university omoja nioche mao ngora bana bari bakaranse everywhere makuta process tikotokora gazebos. They are very busy reading because they got Wi-Fi everywhere. Then another thing that would make them come here is that life is extremely very cheap. Most of the things you go our own farm ya agriculture.
Yes.
Kwa nyoranyone chima wiki no ikorwa. Nyore chinya no chikorwa. Nyore gesara no ikoro kunde.
Yes.
Nyore neri no gusime kulirororo. So in other words, that commission mabuli bole usi bon apaka nyore baka machari ya watermelon na ndolia. Lakini galibo sa akogora but very cheap. And not only that, the morals chia Christianity nyingi sana. That's why even I admire using Radio Sayar, because ninga ketenga Krista wangi na wako tegerera. That in your one or seven worshipper, he has to do it to the other. Chi pastor chiko so mikabisa chile trend. No, but the other Protestants, but also Sunday, apart from Catholics, who are not Protestants, on Sunday, priest comes every other day. Our Islam, every day freedom to worship. Then we have also avoided we manage them through groups. In charge of a group of 20 students, we monitor their movements in the university, and every Wednesday they meet in a meeting where they discuss issues.
Yes.
And then another advantage is that unless eromwana yarete kara cheki wa eteji bari atobuga teke tangani yakabere gato kago chekara accidentally anyarete ma na riaranywe. Lakini okonyorwa is a heavy punishment. Marua kwanza tariange marua yiwa jonya 30 kilometers away nyoraro. And you can't go 30 kilometers away go Maru because it's expensive also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, asante sana professor. Ase ogotoerezera nikikiragere maybe omwana ase abaibuli bali batotekerete baraira abana babo ase university ya Lukenya nende gwakwanira mangana Christianity sana guzingatia muri ngubwate bale gose bali abale abateneneri including you professor ngubwate muri amachiko yokonekinga abantu bonsi bagoswasi university iga kurungeigwa bale na nguyatana bale kurwa ase obunywa bwa amarwa na gukora ebintu binde bitamuburereti asubunyasane kekogera ogwocha iga se studio iri sere kogera digo tugwikera abakristo abange na bali bategete gucenci chimbu cyabo nonye nabana babo nigo bogore tugosoba ase university eyiga ya Lukenya. Nintagete professor ukwanda mangana accommodation as a school eyiga ya Lukenya.
Omutangasaji once again bono ekero ya ikirenga ki accommodation bana bonsi bawo ya Lukenya University first assurance to stay in the hostel. Dimwa the street linga we come because we don't encourage Bana Isiko.
Yes.
So we are talking of surrounded by a national park, the Gorobusabo National Park. And we will not want Yamana Baito, and if they are attacked, we will not want that blame. So the best we have done, so that we have enough hostel facilities, Keromanago Jaime Omenya, no, and no, the Yokolikuma, Karago, don't know anybody. So the church is only 6,000 per term. Very exclusive of Dagger, and Dagger is really part of that. Yes. Okay. So Igonga, there is an assurance. One of the ways you are.
Yes. Asante sana Professor Tebirenga. Bali motutegerete nabo mokorenta abana baino ase university ya Lukenya accommodation eroro nabo omwana akomenya ase school ime ekogera abana bonsi no bamenyete kera semester ne chirubu isano nemo ase kera umwana urasoe ase university ya Lukenya ngakira ngesimiga iga ase studio bali ya motorigereti ase mtandao kisi Hot TV na bali mototegerete ase radio ya sayare ebiro ebiga bia abodo maragoba na boko ngakire simi gochega ase studio onye kubwate riswali linde lyonsi urabuli professor gusaso taigubuya otagete professor elinde achikuliraneria enamba tugutumika lere sabuli ngoko baletera matangazo ayiga eya masemo kurwaso muchi omonene obosonge studio yitu ya kabere gutoka hema na boko ngakire simi gochega ase studio 0700169444 elinde obuli riswali obwatase emrogobege mbiyole
na chimba kwa ndira na professor
bwaire biye kya baba
yonde mwambo kwana kulisinsa macha keroka
omwamba
na nje nabo atari swali nale ngeko boli ndi mwanafunzi na rokora 2020 KCSE wanokora ranga abate siprasha taito jokora education English literature wanokora ranga ora temira wakora application tanya konyora taranyora igasi
kya baba
sono timetinga na iseko nyara koe guri bagerio ase university yigosena ki
okay ngochero kwerereria ndugo
okay miyama
asante sana li swali lya bene na ndiligia ekokera na bikujarikana na bange isiko gali babwate equation ekabune yugo ngochi tulikuliraneria kuruigase studio yes biole 0700169444 inamba nere ngotumeka tini gotumeka eli ya zeni ya 0785 lero ngotumeka 0700169444 ekokarari kubaletera matangazo ayegana professor kurwase omochi omonene obosongo ase studio yetu ya kabere egoto kendoti sanebere enoti eyamo isanodemo kenda inye einero inamba gutumeka aigase studio kose otorikere SMS na nigo torachi koyesoma ase enchira yabene ebiro ebiga byabona morogo banite tokora bwata chisimi kidogo aigase studio ase bali ande mo taiwa segetebuya kose mubwate liswali igoro ya masomo ase university eyiga ya Lukenya naboko ngakira aiga ase studio na bali mo totegererete kamuranche toko ngakire reverse call gochega se studio ekogera naye obwate engana utagete kumanya naboko ngakira SIM direct tali reverse call professor mwana naro obwate SC plus asamatemwa manene hyo mwaka oeta o 2020 kolinde otemire wa apply gusokora application elinde achigokora ekosi ya English literature lakini gwikira boniga taranyora libaga maybe Lukenya University momo consider aso class ime gabwate C plus main grade
mbiamono moyibuli ogoruko mwamba gorukero ko borire riswali nerigia egentara tebinga nkyo mwano ya bwate ote bana bwate C plus English literature agora jange songo raidete but if our limit this time mabekere minimum of D plus in maths
yes
mai dio so mwana na wade D plus to sende D minus yo wade D minus ayoja kwa ba kongura kini yo wade D plus na nde mamo ile ko se C then akaro ko ba namba ya ne mambia ngakere
yes
usatu me interview ko cho call him check kwende sleep ya yonzi then I'll advise them ko si yako soa ya to ko yuana then I will send them admission
okay
it will be my duty ko ruana ngabakanyo ole loan ko ruwa serikali.
Asante sana bono omwamba kuruchisa mochichi yakeroka professor Kwireneiri onyo omwana oyo onyorete D plus and above ase umulimo oli tokuruka bwesabu na bakonyora libaga elide asoma singencho eserikali nego ya atakire guchinche machiko asamagana education sensi to ya Kenya ego batete ko consider sana bali babwate D plus ase umulimo oli tokuruka bwesabu gose mathematics lakini rende nabo akosoa ase university ejiga ya Lukenya buna professor achikire whatever inamba nere tuguchikwana na igase studio elinde origi professor hukwana nere eyamo aseyamo omotomere results slip elinde ajirigirelie then amane gogotebi what to do next 0700169444 ndo chenga chisa cha minyo kirega sana professor tigango nabwati chisi bibere sato iga elinde torolenga maswariki abatakire baito babwate kratorigeti guchi gukura 0700169444 enoti sana bire enoti eyemo isano nemo kianda inye inero inamba gutumeka igase studio ngakire simi goche igase studio motegereri chisa ichiga cha abono morogoba elinde obuliri swali onye kubwatiri swali nilionsi nabo kungakira igase studio krondo chinge chebutugireka 20 igoro yechisa ibere chia abono omorogoba Professor gatugenderete nenkwana yeito yabene aiga ase studio ebiro ebiga bya abono morogoba kero tugenda tukukwanira university eyiga ya Lukenya mbali isiko gali banyorete bateinete asamatemu abo bakorete ye class kili 12 bakanyore D+, D- na D plain nkosi kibaranyare bagokore kugera tugutwara abanafunzi yabange sana asensemeyo
omoraria na ndena on interview
yes
kushini nengi sana because esa abana bakatange million yemo abana babwat abarenga abange mbali banyada D+ yecho D-.
yes
abana aba talinga abara baliri nedi tukuli abetalibe bakamate lende bakoterebo kaba wade D+ mwatali mano muliri kyara nyore school engi training engi na akwana akasoma baka university akorepi this same person can even become a professor
yes
nyoro bwat all committed na kuska baiboli bae chia mate chia ye kia roma ote molde ote bwat tibu ya na wakwenda abwo kwa bano body in this world so omwano yo wade D+ ya ne D- lakini D+ ni they all these people can qualify for a certificate. A craft certificate is
yes.
You go training about 2 semesters. That's 6 months in a year. And you go building and construction technology, food and beverage, but you hotel, certificate in information technology, certificate in counseling. They can become good counselors. Nobody certificate in social work and community development. A year or so, sociology and koro.
Yes.
Nobody a certificate in business management.
Yes.
And a certificate in insemination. In insemination, keriogo na kiangombe eko nyoro eko janya conceive.
Yes.
They are not veterinaries.
Yes.
They get a chanya or embego. To what those certificates, one also met on around when you get your what employment in your caps. A certificate here.
Yes.
Go say agribusiness.
Okay. Asante
So
sana.
a D+ will get an accommodation D.
Yes.
Go proceed to the university. Lakini wako trained.
Okay. Asante sana Professor ase okwereneria na kubeka abantu baito ubuya chisa ichiga chiabono morogoba ekero eko obwati wanga mbale babwate chigrade chainse kwa bakwanire nga nabo bagosoba kole artisan courses goseba kole certificate kole ngana na grade kelia oyomo akonyoro nyindi D+ na bagokore certificate kwa kwanira magana mange gabwo kagirite nga bayigure asenjira yabere mwancho motegereri gwe radio ya Sayale na bali bakisi Hot TV nigo ngariganetie amaswali aino aiga ase studio ebiro ebiga bya abono marogoba aiga ase embeyo kubwatiri swali nilio singa kresi 07 00169 444 nindo chenga nalega iga watabanga a student I wish to join but where can I find the university? Nonje nabwo kwereneria mwana minto university eyiga nigigotoka ase semo eri ya Makueni no university eyiga egotoka ikago kugenda gusoma no komenya ime efi yabo nigo eri eyanse kigimara kirinde karotegete gusoma ro gochitoro ko gwatebinga kyo apply mangana online gose ototarere gochaiga ase radio ya Sayale gotoka iga somochi okisi Hema Hospital lirongo lia kabirega na bogotonyora toko ya application kirwa ichoire ntomanye tenga kiego ika ase university ya kogera professor na mubwatani oito sana sana aiga ase studio kugwachirega nabo okoba connected also ase university ya Alukenya oche gwekonya ase amatuko agocha 0700169444 ngakirange simigaiga ase studio nya kubwateli swali lindilionsi onye kubwate swali lindilionsi otegete professor akwiraniri nabo ogotolikere SMS gose wake ase nchira ya kebene noti sano ibere enoti eyemo isano nemo kianda inye mara gatatu enoti sano ibere enoti eyemo isano nemo okianda inye mara gatatu wairebia yes tata sima inasia bwate okay guchiare gukoiraniria okay ngosikia tete gukora kwanza education okay asante ndugu asante sana asante sana professor nitagetwira ndi swali rega okay how much will I pay for first semester nara ulio mbuli tiri swali ga na ndedo chena bakale kubuli ga koine sister ategete kumanya kabisa ile ngarakane first semester maybe timati lakini nekagertegera bwati nkosiki agokora nara ukale kubuli what is the complete okay what is the complete period and the total cost of the certificate in counseling okay gochero kurene professor tage tutu chakiriga uyo bwate C- gate to kore education isemo kiye arakore moerezera ngasenchire abene na aro utuburigo
mbe yamono moiboria yo gotegera radio sayari kerego tangasa na ndo koyunga kutoka zamani mangana yijisemi C- asamini girete ko education ende yonsio ebe diploma minimum ye diploma bono guys C but subject yo ko konyo C+ yo in history for example and CRE chemistry go say physics go say maths it must be C+ in those subjects kitoko C- is not a bad grade it otro guys on a healthy grade you can average you know monto mongaine na inde so I would prefer modify to a number of courses ara so diploma social work and community ako so an C-, navago so general agriculture C-, and rigera so mugo kora so degree wono it becomes easier akora ogokora ajokora postgraduate diploma in education then you go find a mwalimu wa agriculture which is very good. Then navakora a diploma in social work and community development akore diploma ya IT digero gukora nyore munako genda so that at the end of the day gara nyore na degree yego jikoba miaka meka sana kiaro nyore diploma gara nyore diploma kini go jikoba about 5 to 6 semesters ya kore degree so a difference ya reno rio korete degree kuru mo chakano na benka sana igare advantage ra to na wale diploma na wale degree again the postgraduate diploma so precisely all diplomas except education and the jawana zingda qualify but the rest about qualify.
Okay, asante sana. I wish to do computer engineering with a D plane. Can I manage? Assist me please. Professor, ganyo lete D plane yoyo. Gati to kora computer engineering nenya lekane.
Karabate certificate AD go to a certificate in IT.
Yes.
It can go as a certificate in computer engineering. It's only the people who understand IT.
Yes.
A certificate in IT is a certificate in equivalent to DIT. Yes. CIT is information technology. CBIT is a certificate in business information technology.
Yes.
All these things and the computer engineering are certificate are the same. With the D, lakini yako ndio artisan.
Yes. Okay, asante.
Waliotawate period ya certificate. Aro woli swa katanga period ya tingera moire. Is only 6 months semester 1 and semester 2. Le first term. Kwa mwanza buyakiagala tatebetinga level.
Yes.
But in your role level and your masters is 60,000 part time, 40,000 full time. No, 60,000 full time, 40,000 part time. Your degree is 38,000 full time. Degree Jones P. But you get Italy equal and the short term was open distance learning will be there will be 38,000.
Yes.
Some are even 27,000 depending on which course you are correct.
Okay, asante sana professor. Dochenga chisa cha tomye krisana tagete oiraneli nara okuboliri swali gweteranere SMS. What is the complete period and the total cost of certificate in counseling? Okorate tokora certificate ya counseling echiwe sairenga na ege kakenga nangaki arakole certificate.
A certificate ya counseling will take 6 months. Including graduation, that will be 1 year because he has to graduate. Chitama so effectively ibere uze trimester ibere. Chiba sako wanyo role full time, nyo role part time wako 14,000. Etamwe ya mbona 14,000 etamwende. Ndani ya waka na chiba sa hostel 6,000. Akole go 66.
Okay, asante sana. Professor Njiraki baranyara bakugwikira ase University ya Lukenya kero togochi gukorera na Njiraki barakonyora gwetera enamba yesimi nanga ibakonyora application na Njiraki bagu apply ntage to kwandra magana yo kero togochi gukora interview yito yabona margoba.
Once again biamono asoko ngari baga kwana nabagusiba ito kurwazi chingogo chonsi chia Kenya but last time paka ndo Eldoret banga Kirisimi, and I was happy. Mombasa banga Kirisimi. It means Radio Sayari is quite popular, especially the Christian kind of fraternity. Now, like next Monday, I'll be in Radio Sayari live in Kisii. Meaning, anybody would want to access me, anybody would want to get an application or an admission form. Again, the Radio Sayari ninji ticket ororo, alias toka. They can fill them, the documents. When I come, I'll take them to go process further admission. But once you get that application form, is as good as admission, so long as ever field to tour the record. Secondly, through my number 07176 98 303, I can tell you how you can send your documents through WhatsApp, being carried. Then I can meet your child after we have advised you. Then Rukenya gotoka, we did say very clearly, Korukisi goja Rukenya, you can take a bus ya Korokwatange, you can take a bus ya Korokwaina, the Simba, you will just go connect your nose. Your teacher, they will use out and buy bicycle to approach Nairobi, they will give you Nairobi City. Then Wete Machakos, you come through Imari, Astokoroka Sudanamudi, Imari, then you will be in Makindu, the next stage will be Kambu, Okoroi Kero, Ryan, think of Waikiro, I won't go to the station, or say Asakor Kumutito.
Okay, asante sana. Professor ase ogotoerezera abene abategerere baito beredia sel na bali motorigireti kurwa ase mtandao okisi Hot TV. Nigo tuwabere tugukwana enkwano eyamo aseyamo na Professor yule Vice Chancellor wa University ya Lukenya egotoka aliase county ya Makueni. Nigo abariganiri mwesipi bali amotagete abana baino bachigo soma chikosi na chikwanira senchira ya kebene na umukomoikera ase enamba yesimi eyo ayananire ase birebiga byabona murgoba korene nande karura takamange na bugututarira ase radio ya sayale amagacho aiga ahema ayagutuka gasumochi obosongo oisego chagabo second floor bose lirongo lya kabire na bogotonyora na bokonyora application letter elinde oicholie na botokorora ngaki ligo ike kora professor is our close friend ugocheka se studio every week nabo akonyora amaruba yonse pia yaire na murangeriwe asinjira bene na gukora chi ikosi. Asante sana Dr. James Mageto Birugaso kwa tabanga nabo mugenderete gutubwati Martha Karua kuruchisa bochishamo korongosi Nyabando Junior. Asante sana kuruchisa bochiricha Kenyanya bingwa Daniel Goncho Narals na Grace kuruchisa bochishama gena kwa tabanga nabo mugenderete gutubwati ase enchira ya abene. Liswali ndire gante ketuko kubuli Professor Lio Moelio tokolera ni show yabona maroko bako rukunga Derek Bishop kutoka Nyamira. Nilipata C+, nikaenda Polytechnic, nikachukua motor vehicle mechanics, nikafanya mpaka grade 1. Nimemaliza. Nadai kujua diploma nitapita. Kakiretenga ine question ya ability already answered. Tima tinga mbo semikiuramo
As a Derek, the diploma ya Kobe Polytechnic ya motor vehicle. The best I can advise you, because you need, if you have not got a job, then you have also where you can do physics, not chemistry or physics and maths, because you have done a lot.
Yes.
And then you become a teacher, and who can also, at the end of the day, say, I want to run a very successful school in motor industry or your motor vehicle.
Okay. Asante. Na ntoka ndra toko kwanira mange kuroiga ase studio ndagete koira na gochia ase main studio ekogarando chenga chise chabere toko nyora magana maya kuroiga ase embeo hoyoiga oreta umurobirio oyoiga wechi semi kuroiga ase radio sele kubatirwengo byemia mona biri chinuze chenkianda amana so mtandao kisi Hot TV ni konkoro kwa Dennis Zadok Park to main studio Jared Ochichi ogandrichi program wekachise sana mocho butuko bwale tomirane ankyo ense yamo ya margoba ase emirobirio ya botambe chingero na banyangero amo na chisemi yabwo ankyo amanobo semia wekera ngukigoro
imani kuwa na hakika ya mambo ambayo yatarajiwayo mbeleni, kama vile mambo yasiyoonekana